Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2008 Nissan Altima Catalytic converter, easy method. Start by safely raising the car and setting jack stands under solid lift points. Remove the negative battery cable and apply penetrating oil to rusty bolts. Inspect the surrounding exhaust, oxygen sensors, and heat shields while you work. Keep parts organized and use new gaskets during reassembly for a reliable seal and to avoid future leaks. Begin by locating the catalytic converter and noting flange orientation for reinstallation. Remove oxygen sensors before unbolting to avoid thread damage and label each sensor for correct placement. Use a breaker bar for seized bolts and support the converter as you remove the last fasteners. Check hanger rubber mounts and replace them if cracked. Clean flange mating surfaces and prepare the new converter with fresh gaskets for a proper fit. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more easy car how-tos. Quick recommendation. I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a compact book that shifts how you view money and planning for repairs like this. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can save while you learn, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new catalytic converter with fresh gaskets and hand-thread bolts to align flanges properly. Gradually tighten bolts in a crisscross pattern and torque to specified values if available, then reconnect oxygen sensors to their labeled ports. Reinstall any heat shields and ensure hanger isolation is correct to prevent vibration. Lower the vehicle, reconnect the battery, and start the engine while checking for exhaust leaks or check engine lights before completing the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.